Hey, I'm back with today's cooking chronicles. I'm making shrimp scampi over white rice. So I found this easy recipe, which called for, of course, shrimp. I seasoned my shrimp already. Uh, it didn't call for shallots, but I'm gonna add shallots. I like cooking with shallots, but it called for shrimp, garlic, lemon juice, and butter and olive oil. I don't have any olive oil, so I'm gonna just use this. And so it says to use 6 tablespoons. I guess it's to 1 pound. I have about 1.5 pounds of shrimp here, so I just used 1 whole stick of butter. And this is 8 tablespoons. This particular one is 8 tablespoons of butter. It's unsalted. I would suggest using unsalted because your food is already going to be salted. A couple of garlic minced I already buy, so I probably do like, I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 of these, like maybe 3 of these size spoons. And then I'm gonna squeeze both lemons for the lemon juice in it. And then if I need more, I have this type of lemon. I normally do not ever use this, but I only had 1 fresh lemon left. And so I have a stick of butter over there melting. It says do not let it brown. Once it has melted, you add your garlic. So I'm gonna add my garlic and my shallots and till it turns opaque. And then I'm gonna add the shrimp, 2 to 3 minutes till it turns pink and not to overcook it. And then once it's finished, I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice in it, mix it up, and we ready to go. You can do this with linguine or white rice. I'm doing white rice because I don't feel like being bothered with pasta, and the white rice cooks easier. So as you can see, I sprayed my oil in this. I have 1 stick of butter. So now I'm gonna add my shallots and my garlic. And so I've added my shallots and my garlic. We'll put this down to about a 7. I'm not using my gimbal as well. So I'm gonna just mix this in for a couple of minutes. And I'll be back. So I just added my shrimp to the pan, and I'm gonna let this stir this up in here for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until it turns pink, and then I'll squeeze my lemon in. And so here is my finished product. I stirred in my lemon juice, and this is shrimp scampi. Now you can add white wine. I don't have any white wine, as I would have added some to it. But this is just an easy recipe for shrimp scampi that you should have ingredients for in your home already without having to go out the way. And then here's our white rice. This is jasmine rice. And here is your shrimp scampi over your white rice. Enjoy. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Share that, click that notification bell. You know, share the video to your friends. And tell me what you think. You know, if you made this already yourself, how did you like the recipe? How did it come out? Did it need anything? Was it perfect? Let me know. So enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.